D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hello everyone, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial is how to achieve mini twists on short, medium 4C natural hair. So, if you're interested to know how, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! You'll need hair clips, water, rat tail comb, detangling brush, and some leave-in conditioner. Spritz some water on your sectioned hair. Then apply some leave-in conditioner. I am working on freshly washed hair. Detangle your hair. Section out a piece of hair and begin twisting. Remember to twirl your ends for added definition. Long way to go. Listen here, mini twists are not for the lazy naturals because they require a significant amount of time to complete. I think all in all, I took about 3 hours to achieve these mini twists. At least I'm getting somewhere. I don't know about you, but I like full-looking mini twists, so my twists are not too thin nor too thick. Spritz some water, apply some leave-in, and detangle. Want a similar look? Well, check out my how to braid out tutorial. Link is on the top right-hand corner. So, people normally do their mini twists on stretched hair, but I don't really care about length. I'm all about that definition. For my middle hair, I parted it in a manner that will slant in the direction that I wanted my mini twists to fall. Notice how the line I parted is slanting? Don't forget to twirl your ends. Yay, last one. Let your girl fix her edges for a sec. And there you have it, how to achieve mini twists on short, medium 4C natural hair.
And I love you. It's ready to sing.
Thank you so much for watching. Did you enjoy this tutorial? If yes, please subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free and it doesn't require anything. Just click on the red subscribe button. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and share. Ciao!